So hello guys, good evening and welcome back to the market analysis video for tomorrow. We can see in the Nifty that market has taken rejection from the same top, when it has reached here around December 22. So from the same top, market has taken rejections, and let's move to the 15 minutes time frame for the intraday analysis. In the 15 minutes time frame, we can see there are after the profit booking from the top today, there are multiple support. First of all, see this 15 minutes time frame, this trend line. We will only initiate our selling opportunity below this trend line. This trend line is multiple time it has given support to the Nifty, and also this trend line and 18,700 is psychological number. I am expecting market can stay in this range because if you see the moving average, there is to 200 day moving average. So of course it is coming in 18,720 level. So we can draw this like in this below this range, we can may decide for further selling. Also there are 200 day moving average. So in those two horizontal line below this zone, we can find good opportunity for selling. And there are also the primary rejections intraday basis which we can pay is around 18,790 to 18,800. So for tomorrow what we can expect is only above this level for intraday basis we can go long from here, right? Above this we can only go for long here, and below this in a 15-minute candle close, and we have to careful about the 200 day moving average. Below this 200 day moving average we can find a good selling opportunity as well. So what are the target that we can expect below this 18,700, 18,720, this 671 also act as a very good, can act as a very good support. Similarly 18,627, this zone also can act as a very good support. Okay, and from the top above 18,800, 18,800, 840 will be the first target that we can expect from the Nifty. Okay, and let me move to the, this is analysis for Nifty quickly. If you walk through it, 18,800 level we will initiate, and 18,720 below we can initiate our we can find good opportunity in selling, and this is between is totally consolidating zone. We will only play above or below the breakdown. So if we watch the Nifty bank, first of all watch in the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, you can see it is from the last 3 days it is consolidating in this range. So if I mark the high and the low quickly and move to the 15 minutes time frame, see accurately this is 44 40,400. Okay, and it has now taken rejection from the this black line 15 days moving average. Similarly, this is the indicator. Also, the if I also for the confirmation, you can see that this is the for the price action basis, it is acting as a very good support, very good resistance. So yes, 43,700. It is a very good resistance because two confirmation we are getting. One is this horizontal line. Here multiple time take it to today, given breakdown, retest, and in the last few minutes also it has retest from that level taken rejections. So yes, this zone is a resistance zone. So for buying we can initiate after breakout of this level, and for selling you may say the breakdown this level 43,500 levels, we can go for a selling opportunity. 43,500 below 43,400 will be our first target, and below this 43,300, and 40, if if you want to know key from where I find this 43,000 to 99,300, see this is a zone, 1 hour time frame you find in this area multiple times market has taken rejection from here, right? So yes, this zone will also act as a very good support primarily, and the next support which I am expecting is around this area. Okay, 43,087. So this is for bank nifty, this is only for shorting, and for buying above 43,700 we can find good opportunity in buying as well, right, above the breakout. and our the target that I am expecting is around 43,000, this area, this swing low, especially if I delete the moving average. 43,700, the first target, this 43,827. The second target that we can expect is the 43,900, round number. So this is the target for Nifty Bank, and this is similarly Nifty Bank Nifty, this zone we should not take any trade. We should watch above this level only. And one thing I have to mention that there is also one rejection, the 15 minutes time frame it is taken. If we move to the 15 minutes time frame, you will find this line also now acting as a resistance. Here multiple time Bank Nifty has taken rejection from this line. So for if you want to go long, right, you have to be a little bit curious, little bit cautious, in this range. Market can go given breakout of this level and can take rejection from this level. Similarly, one thing that can happen, we can also sell on the top. Similarly, see market here taken rejection, given very good target. Similarly here as well, given very good target, and today as well taken rejection in a first candle and given a very good candle, very good rejection from the top. Similarly, we have to watch that how market is performing. So below this level you also can go for selling in this area. Okay, so this is for Nifty Bank. This channel is very important, guys. So we have to watch in this level very carefully. And similarly for Nifty Finance as well. Nifty Finance, here as well you can see that this rejection zone, it is working very good rejection for Nifty Finance as well. This resists multiple time, index taken rejections from this trend line. Okay, and for selling opportunity, see there is any 50 days moving average, or yes, it has in here 200-day moving average and 50 days moving average. In this range market is consolidating, totally stuck in this range. Okay, so below this range there is very good opportunity for us for selling. Below this range, around this range is coming around 19,365. Below this range we will get a very good opportunity in selling in Nifty Finance. The first target that I'm expecting 19,285, and the second target is this is the all-time low. Okay, and for a buying, obviously 19,450 is a very good resistance zone. So below above this we can initiate a very good target, we can get a very good target. But that this trend line is actually, you know we have to little bit worry about this trend line. Or if you are buyers, right, if you buy some quantity you can book some profit above these levels. Okay, and if we mark the horizontal line that is coming around, particularly this area 19,524. And similarly, like Bank Nifty, we also can find sell and rise opportunity from top if market has given in rejections with the stop loss of 19,524. We can go for further selling, right? Like today, what we get, and below this level 19,365, we also can find very good selling opportunity, and our target I have mentioned here. Okay, and the last day I have discussed two stocks, few stocks. The first stock I have discussed in is Axis Bank. I don't know anyone of you have taken any trade or not. This triangular pattern I have drawn, and I have taken trade. I make a good amount of money below this breakdown level, and it has reached almost all our target here. Okay, and similarly I have also discussed about the HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is, it is totally consolidating in this range, but you can add this in your watch list for the upcoming days, right? For you can play on the breakout or the breakdown. And we also discuss about Tech Mahindra. In Tech Mahindra, I have also played. Above this triangular pattern I have drawn here. So above the breakout I have played, and I didn't book our target in this range 19,1095. I have booked for profit in little bit early here due to some reasons. And the another stock I have discussed is Ambuja Cement. Ambuja Cement, you see, I didn't take any trade in the Ambuja Cement. I have taken only Tech Mahindra and the Axis Bank. But Ambuja Cement also given 100% accurately, work 100% accurately. It has almost reached our 451, our first target. It has reached to a 449, right? It is also work accurately in according to our analysis. So let's move towards what we have for tomorrow, right? The first stock that I'm going to discuss is the GSW Steel for tomorrow. If you see the GSW Steel in the daily time frame first, let me remove the drawing. I have analysis a few times before. See, JSW Steels, it is taking rejection from the all-time high, and from the last 3 days, it has taken rejection from that particular levels. And if we move towards the 15 minutes time frame, you can find that it is totally consolidating in this area. So if I mark the consolidation zone, yes, this is a consolidation zone, and you also can draw a trend line here, and below this 765 we can book our profit. We can get a very good target below this breakdown area. The first target that we can get, I'm expecting, is around 760 zone. Okay, this 15 minutes we will get almost 6 to 7% target, I guess. Almost 0.84, sorry, 0.90, almost 6 to 7 point. I say target instead of point. So yes, almost 0.80% we can achieve this move. If we get the down move, we will get, it will take very few time, very less time, it will the directional move. Okay, so this is the analysis for JSW Steel. And our stop loss, this 770 zone, can act as a primarily it can act as a stop loss for us, and we can get very good down move here. And similarly for confirmation, if you see this 200-day moving average here, and now it is taking rejection from the 15 days moving average. So below this trend line, if it also can take support from the 200-day moving average, so yes, you can book partial profit here. And another thing you can book is around 760 area. Okay, so the second stocks which I am going to discuss is around, it is coming. Let me delete all this. The next stocks which I am going to discuss is Titan. Okay, Titan. If you see in the daily time frame, Titan, it is taken a very good rejection from the top, make a doji kind of patterns. Okay, so what we can do in 15 minutes time frame, it is it has very good volume, but you can see very good profit booking as well for the intraday basis. Okay, so if I quickly mark the today's low, okay, and also mark the high, today's high. So Titan, there is very good opportunity for selling in Titan. In the today's low breakdown, we can expect very good target. Here, the first target I am expecting around 2940, this area, and the second target which I am expecting around 2930, this area. Okay, so below this area we can get a very good move in Titan. Also, you can see that there is 15 days moving average. Above the below the 15 days moving average, we can get very good target in this area. Okay, so yes, this is the analysis for Titan. And the last stocks which I have is Serum Transport. See, in the Serum Transport there are news, like if you see, first see in the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, it has, first of all, it has given a very good up move. Actually, it has given up move due to some news, and in the second half we see a very good profit booking as well. So what happened, the news is Shriram Transport has raised some, I think, bond, accept bond reissues. So for that reason, in the opening market has given very good up move. And the last time, and almost the closing time, their TPG sales, almost, this is a venture capitalist fund, so it has sold almost 171 million dollars. I think more than 2.50%, 2.50% stake almost it has sell today. So that's why this profit booking has happened today. So in a 15 minutes time frame, we can expect uh, you know the continuous down move we can expect. So yes, but we have to play accordingly. The news, may come, we can get any news at any stocks in any day, but the levels, which is a very important thing, we have to play according to the levels, not we. I have just mentioned the news. Why this, this gap up is not usual, right? See the gap up it has given almost 5% gap up. It is not usual for stock like one Serum Transport or any other stocks. 5% gap is too much. Okay, so let me draw the levels. So these are the level that is coming around 1456 below. We can get a very good target in Serum Transport. The first target I am expecting, it is coming around this area around, if I draw like this, 1440 level, the first target I am expecting, and the second target will be this 15 days moving average. We should book some partial profit over this range, because after giving a good target here, market can retest. So we have to be, the 15 days moving average and 200 days moving average, we have to look upon it. Okay, but yes, below this 1440, 1425 will be our next target. So this is the analysis for today, guys, and I hope you will make money if you trade according to the last analysis. Today you will get, I think, very good money you can make. And for tomorrow, that's all what I have. And best of luck for tomorrow, guys. And I will also share what happened tomorrow according to today's analysis. And that's all for this video, guys, and have a good day. Bye.